It is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club that I would love to invite you in for. And today I want to share with you something that I think is going to turn out really cute. I'm not even worried about paper saver or paper waste with this because I just think these layers are going to look so awesome together. And I don't know, I think it's gonna be really cute. So I have a picture from when Nate and I were at the Rachel Ray show, and this was like on her set. And I really love this paper, Just Be You. This is what I'm featuring. It's an Echo Park kit, and why can't I get my thoughts together? It's gorgeous. There's really, really cute stickers. I'm using it for She Makes Club for our live creative workshop, June 12th, and the stickers are beautiful. The colors are beautiful. The colors are very much like my color schemes whenever I do almost anything. And it goes a lot with what I've done this entire year already. So I already matted my photo with a piece of the cardstock pattern paper that's in this kit. Used it as a piece of the scrap that I did for workshop stuff. And I'm going to use some of the stickers and this paper. Now I'm in love with this heart, and I thought it would be really cute to cut out the pieces of this heart since it's already kind of done for me. Put it on this navy blue cardstock. This is Cutmates paper, and then mount it onto this and use this as like an accent. And I think it's going to be really cute. This page is called Be Bold. This page is called Follow Your Heart. And it's hard for me because I love these arrows, but I think if I cut out the hearts just enough, I'll still have little pieces of the arrows to be able to use. I'm even using the Just Be You tag along the bottom. I'm not wasting like anything of this. And this is hard because I love this pattern too. So this is one thing I do wish Echo Park would do, is give me 2 pieces of each paper. They only do 1 in their kits, and I do have their kits listed in my store, in my Amazon store. You can check them out. This one's listed as the June kit, and I will leave a link in the description. And of course I will be saving these because I'll either use that strip or the Just Be You still, because it's freaking cute. I can show you how I will use it. I just love this so much. I hope it doesn't turn out to be like a waste. I just really want it to be like dimensional and fun, and I think it'll save some of this paper too. So the other thing that I could do is paper saver inside here because I love that reverse so much. So we'll see how it ends up going. I'm using my scissors for this, and I'm going to just go right along the outline. Because it's a very geometrical heart shape, I don't have to worry about perfect curves. I'm really just doing like straight lines on out, and I'm not too worried about it being exact. Keep the big pieces. How cute is that? Now I could really go crazy and cut out each individual thing, but I feel like that's going to take a lot of time, and just that alone is giving it more dimension, and I have this to be able to use. So I'll set this over here. Now I want it to go on here, so I'm going to have to cut that out also. So I'm just going to ATG, get that on there, and then I'll just hand cut that also. I'm not worried about keeping that. Will all go in the trash. I think I have to paper save some of this. So in order to do that, because of how this is, I'm gonna have to mark it because I don't want to this will give me a little bit of that pattern to work with later. Oop, that's higher than I meant it to be. I'll have to put that part up higher. Whoops. Okay, so now I have that to use, which is the perfect size for a card or photo matting or something else a little bit later. I don't want to go too crazy with the ATG because I want to be able to add extra layers into this. Kind of the point of doing this. So this is going to get kind of popped up on here with a low dimensional adhesive. I'm going to use some dimensional adhesive from Stampin' Up. This isn't a very thick foam, so I feel like it's okay for in a scrapbook page. I'm gonna almost cover up that pattern again, but I love it so much. Okay, so this is gonna go kind of down here, just like that. And then I'm using a variety of different stickers. I'm gonna pop that up too. A variety of different stickers from the page from the kit. I'm not going to remove the sticky from this entire thing. I think it'll be okay. I just want to make sure there's dimensional on there, and that'll be all right like that. And then we're going to use just a couple floral elements to kind of tie like this all together, have it coming out and on top to give just that little extra bit of dimension on this page. I don't want anything to get lost. Just a girl who decided to go for it. I just feel like this gave me more options. Here's how I'll use the Just Be You. I'll just cut it right along the edge there. And then I'm even gonna go so far as to ink it with a guava color Lawn Fawn ink pad. Just gonna kind of swipe it on there, give it a little bit of definition. Yeah. And that'll just go there. Ooh, we could do it, pull out right at the top of the heart. Okay, we're gonna do that. And then this is going to be our little journal tag. So this was October 23rd, 2018. Okay, so then once that's all on there, I'm gonna take some gold shimmer ribbon and we're gonna attach it with the tiny attacher once I get it crisscrossed the way I want it. There we go. I'm gonna take this smaller dream catcher. It's like it's a full big piece, but I'm just going to trim it out a little bit. Find my more delicate scissors here. All right, I feel like that just completes it perfectly with all the dimension and story that I wanted to tell for this one little picture. I hope you guys enjoy the moments today, and I would love to see you inside of She Makes Club. Lots of fun changes always happening, so I would love for you to come check them out. Enjoy the moments, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.